Hi guys! It's math time with Miss Gilbert. So today we are going to talk more about hundreds chart. I know you've been working on hundreds charts with Miss Rozeski the past couple days. We're going to continue working on hundreds chart. We're going to watch a really quick little video about patterns. We already know that there's patterns on a hundreds chart. But I'm going to show you this little video. There's no noise on it. It's just something that you watch. It's very short. And I want you to pay attention to what happens to the patterns as the values of the numbers go up and go down. Okay? So let me show you that quick video. Okay, let's see what happens here. Watch this. Four, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. Now watch, and then it goes down. Okay, I'm hoping you guys saw some patterns there. Okay, so let's look at this a little closer and let's look and see what do we notice, okay? So when I first looked at this, the first thing I noticed was this hundreds chart is flipped. The 1 is at the bottom of this one and the 100 is at the top. Usually we start with 1 here and the 100 is down here. So this one is flipped. The numbers are increasing. So 1 is at the bottom and 100 is at the top. What is the pattern when we start at 4 and count by 10? 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. How do the colors in these circles help us see the patterns? The 4 stays the same, doesn't it? All of these have a 4 in it. The only thing that changes is the 10s. So if you look down here, we start with 0 10s, then we have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, and all the way up to 90. So let's do some number puzzles now. Okay? I love these. So so now look, we're back to our regular 100 chart. This is the kind that we use at school. Now, for those of you that do math talk, we do this in math talk every single day. So it should be pretty easy. Here's the number riddle though. I am 10 more than 46. 10 more than 46. So the first thing I know I'm going to have to do is I'm going to need to find 46 on my hundreds chart. There she is. There's 46. So 10 more. Now, one way you can do this is we could count 1, 2, 3, but since we're learning about patterns on a number chart, all we need to do is jump a row, right? So do I need to go this way or this way to get to 10 more than 46? Is it going to be 36 or is it going to be 56? Let's see. It is 56, right? 56 is 10 more than 46. Let's do another one. I am 10 less than 87. And look, they even drew these for you in case you need to check. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So yes, 87. And here's 87. Let me highlight it for you there. There's 87 on the number chart. And if we're doing 10 less, am I going to go down to 97 or up to 77? Let's see. You should know this. It's 77, right? 10 less is 77. Okay, here's the next one. I am 10 more than 62. You guys can't see me touching my screen. I was touching the screen. 62, here's 62. 10 more than 62. So we're going to go to either 52 or 72. Just think about which number is more, and it'll be easy for you to figure out. 10 more than 62 is 72. I am 10 less than 43. There's 43. 10 less would be 33. These are very similar. We're not going to do that one. These are very similar to what we do in school when we do math talk. I know a lot of the first grade classes do that, and we go over the hundreds chart. It's the same thing, exact same thing. And using the hundreds chart is a nice way to look at it so you can see the patterns. It's important to see the patterns in numbers. So you can try a few more on your own if you want to, make up some more riddles. You can rewind this video a little bit so you can see the hundreds chart. Actually, here, I'll leave it for you just like that. So you can pause it and you can see your hundreds chart. And we'll do a game tomorrow using patterns with the number chart. Bye, babies.